kicks my step.
It's amazing. It's so big. I think
Isn't it bigger than you?
practically, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it looks like Dara's really enjoying watching you build it too.
Here's how much Lego. Cheese.
We're doing a video this time. You can still cheese for it though.
Cheese.
Cheese. I was going to send this video to Granddad, and I was wondering if you wanted to sing him the ABC song or anything. What do you think?
Let's put a video on today.
Like with Granddad?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm making a little video right now to send to him. And I know that he's never seen you sing your ABC song, and I was wondering if you'd be comfortable singing it.
If we go there, sometime if my daddy drives up there to an airport and we will get on an airplane and we will have to wait on an airplane while an airplane flies to Granddad's
Yeah,
house.
that would be fun, wouldn't it?
Yes. Because I actually love airplanes.
And you love Granddad too, hey?
Oh, yeah,
I think she's okay. I think she's comfortable.
I was just kissing there on her, bringing her.
Yeah. What we can do is hand her her fox, I think.
This was help her sit up. She's trying to get set up.
She looks comfy. Aw.
She likes this.
Yeah.
Yeah.